In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an ultra-realistic metal shader. I came across a number of ways to create realistic metal shaders in the past, but this one is unique. This shader is fully customizable by applying two glossy nodes and a layer weight node. I'll show you how easily we can create this shader by using Blender's node editor. Go to the Shading tab at the top and start creating the material for the sphere. Please match my settings. Lower the roughness any way you like to change how shiny and reflective your mesh is going to become. What's good about this set of node is the fact that the secondary glossy node will allow us to apply a secondary color to the material. This means we can customize the shader to have a gold material with a red inner glow and so on. Let's create a ground mesh with a plane and apply two array modifiers to the sphere mesh. Add a reflective metallic material to the ground mesh as well. Apply the modifiers, go to Edit mode, press A to select all, press P to separate by loose parts. Change the primary glossy material color for each sphere. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. This is the end of the metal shader tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.